Now fam, we are right back. And this is about 25 to 30 minutes. I should have told you the time, but I did not. Now get camera girl, look at it. And as I said to you, 2 times you're gonna stop. Look at this. To put in water just to cover, and as soon as that liquid dries out, you put in some more. Look at it. They are now relaxed. You notice when we left them, they did cock up bossy. Now they are relaxed because they are cooked. Chicken foot cook. Whole foot cook. Not ready yet, you know. It's cooked. So now, remember I told you that they say the nutrition is, you know, they say there's flame up. We have some homemade butter beans, and that's why we didn't put a lot of salt, because the butter beans has in a little salt. So we're going to turn in our butter beans, and because we are always having our hot water, we need to rinse this thing here. You see, not a lot, you know, to long water down this thing. Okay, so we need to rinse, and we're going to put it in there. Okay, y'all. So we're going to look incorporating now. And I don't have to taste, because with what the salt that I put and the butter bean adding a little salt, you know, it is okay. Now, flame down, low now. We're going to let the butter bean just go right through and everything. Get them a shot, camera girl. Shoot them up, camera girl. This here is a chicken foot, curry chicken foot, and broad beans. Buttered beans. Okay, look at the gravy, you all. Look at it. Now, we're going to leave this for about a minute the most to let everything get to come. You can turn up the flame back a little bit up. Story time. Now, I am not going to stop until you all learn to cook. We're waiting on that to come through. So we're doing a little story time right here and now. So I am not, I hope the camera is on me, you know, going to stop teaching you to cook like this. This is the way. I'm not going to jump cut out nothing. And when you look, you see me come. And there you have it. Hello, curry chicken foot. Like, subscribe, and share. Nope. Share and subscribe. I didn't say, I cannot cook. For me, if I don't see it done this way, I will not be able to do it. And for you who have never cooked chicken foot, you would not be able to do it. So, I'm not going to stop doing the videos this way. This is the way to go for me. I'm going to tell you a little story. And you all ladies, you need to get in to cook. Let me tell you, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach, you know. And I know a lot of men out there like this, you know. You know, I knew about this couple. They were together for a time. Restaurant up next door. And they were together for some, but they weren't living together. So now them start, you know, go live together. Restaurant open next door. Okay, she cannot cook, you know. The lady cannot cook, or the girlfriend. Run gone at the restaurant. Good up man, she have to, you know. You know, night when I say good up man is a Jamaican thing, you know. Every day she go there, she buy different food and put it in the plate and plate it on when her husband come, you know. You know, one day he said to her when he came while sitting and eating, he said to her, you know what happened? I am going to make you a wife. I'm going to make you a wife. In a layman Jamaican term, he said, you know me, I got married to you. Because them food here, them after chain, my girl. The food them, I'm just enjoying the food you cook. One day the man didn't go to work. Is a Jamaican thing. And you gotta up on over to the Jamaican Debbie Debs to know what those patwa. That's patwa. Patwa. But it's like, you know, like you say, what? So we're gonna look. So we can write a whistle right here. Say, it wasn't feeling well. Let us look to see what is happening. Yes. We want it to gel. Look at it, y'all. Look at it. I'm coming to finish the story. By the time the story finish, we're ready for this. This is 1 pound, you all. He wanted her to prepare. He wasn't feeling well. He didn't go to work, so he wanted her to prepare That him say, you remember that nice little soup that you prepare, you made one even when I came home for dinner? I want you to prepare something like that for me. Just soup, just as nice tasty little soup. Eh. All this time, going down the restaurant go buy the food. She go around the kitchen and she go on with one piece of something around there. One piece of chaka in the pot. Come round, put it down. When the man tastes the soup, him say, but this wasn't the soup that you cook. No, man. First, it don't look like the soup that I had. And it far from tasting like the soup. How this soup tastes up? That is she now. I have something for telling. I never made it. I cooked the food. It wasn't she. She had to talk here and then. Camera girl is laughing, y'all. But it's true. It's a true story. It wasn't she cooking the food all along. She was going to the restaurant, buying and putting down. So y'all, don't let that happen to you. Please get right in, y'all. Okay? So camera girl is laughing because she found it funny. Now, we're right here. Don't let that happen to you all. Please, keep on the Jamaican cooking journey. Hello. This is just a pound of chicken. And listen to me now. If you have your family and they eat chicken foot, this can share for 4 or 5 people. Okay, y'all? Now, we're going to plate. Because this can be served with rice, mashed potatoes, dumpling, banana. But you know what happened? Remember I said to you in part 1, if you love chicken foot like me, please to comment below. Because you don't know what happened. I am not, look here. I am not serving this with nothing. I'm just going to heat this chicken foot. And that is why I asked you if you love chicken foot. You know, we're going to clean around our plate with a damp cloth or you damp your hand towel. We got to clean for presentation. You all know that. Okay? Yep. So we're going right around the edge and we're going to take away that curry mark. Right. I know everybody, oh Lord, it smells so good. And don't worry because I have peace in here. It's cooling out. From my kitchen to yours, from my kitchen to your plate, to your stomach, it's curried chicken foot with butter beans. You see the chicken foot then? You see the butter bean? You see the gravy? Enjoy, y'all. And hello. I don't eat chicken. I tell you, you can serve it with almost anything. But listen to me. I don't eat chicken foot with nothing like that. Just chicken foot. That's why I asked you if you love chicken foot like me. Look here. I'll leave one to show you. Look at this. It at you see? Hello. No, no, so I'm going to wrap up with the hat sitting here. But look at it. Look at it. Give them a shot, camera girl. Look at it. Curried chicken foot and homemade with homemade butter beans. Yes, yes. Please come here. This is how your chicken foot look when it cook. Now, tell you. So, this is how you eat chicken foot. But I don't think chicken sushi you can eat it, you know. I'm not a sushi people made. These are down to earth people thing here. So, once more, from my kitchen to yours, to your family table, to your stomach, to your plate, it's curry chicken foot with homemade butter beans. Go, you saw what I did. Go, don't let what happened in that story happen to you. Continue to subscribe, share, like, leave your comments below. And guess what? I will not let that happen to you because I will not stop teaching like this. Debbie from Donga Yard, curry chicken foot, homemade butter bean.